Y'all need to hype me up.
Do that thing with your eyes.
Shake that left and tap it, girl. Bring it back and drop it, girl. I wanna see you pop it, girl.
Tiny bubble. Tiny bubble.
People always ask me who's the prettiest, most beautiful goddamn creature on the planet, and you know what I say every fucking time? This bitch.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
You make me go wow. I love it when.
Well, TikTok, I come outside this morning and my goat had babies. Mama, you did it. Oh my gosh, look at him. Ah, look how small you guys are. Hey. Hey.
Nope. Okay, we have to go outside. You can't lay in my bed. It's not a thing. Hi there. Oh, God. Hi. Hello. Hi.
Excuse me, sweet angel. Hello.
Look what I've just found here. It's a little mole. He's trying to dig through my hand. Look at the cute little mole. All right, kids, where are we going? We're going on an adventure. Let's go. What? Go in the water. All right.
Hot and dangerous.
Georgia? No?
This is a furry potato, also called a squeaky loaf, and sometimes called a whistle tater. Furry potatoes are completely adorable, with their sniffy whifflers, snack seekers, floppy listeners, teeny tippy tappies, and little potato booties. This one's got a big ol' potato boot.
And it went like...
I like the the view.
You do?
Yes.
You're my best view.
Yeah.
Try not to bite too hard, okay?
If you're blue and you don't know where to go to.
Look how excited she gets when I start babying her. Ay, mi mamas, ven pa acá, hermosa. Ay, ven, hermosa. Ay, besos.
Do it again.
Wait, do it again.
What's the meaning of this? Untie me this instant!
Shut up.
Sweet Davy Jones! What the heck is going on?
I said shut up.
Quando sei felice, mica fai le foto. La felicità dura così poco. Quando sei felice, mica lo fai vedere, mica lo fai sapere.
I don't really like to brag.
Gary! What are you doing up there? Get down from there right now! Get in here. Come on. Ow! Jerry, no! Ow! Stop! Come down from... Ow! Lamborghini, quiet down! It's your little... Ow! Bad dog!
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.
Hi. Hi. Good morning. You are my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy pumpkin. You're my sweetie pie.
Here he is. His little guy. Come on on the finger. Oh, that was slow. You a cutie.
Checking on all the animals for the night. He's so cute. Here's the newest little guy. We're calling him Oakley since he's the first one from Oklahoma. Hi, Oakley. Look at you. You're growing like a weed. Yes, you are. Those sunsets are so pretty. Remember how we just fixed fence yesterday? It didn't work for Rupert or any of the other boy lambs. All the cows are enjoying themselves. Lots to eat. Some loud bugs. Still have pregnant cows. Beautiful sunsets in Oklahoma, guys. Winston, how are you doing with all this heat?
Maybe cabin tomorrow.
You think so?
Good chance, maybe.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.